Hello and welcome to Wisdom Bites. Hope you're well. Thank you once again for joining us. Very much appreciated. And in today's video, I'm going to do a closer review of the micro-analysis of the chart pattern developing here with all these candles. But just a recap to what's happened so far, that's got us to this point here. We've obviously been rejected at the 69,000. We've made our way down in a stepwise fashion all the way down to these levels here. We've had these relief rallies all along the way. And the question is this one more of these same relief rallies that we've had on this journey here? And while that's been happening, we've created these levels which are going to be extremely important on the way up as they have been on the way down. So this is obviously the 57, 58, 59 level. This is the 52, 53. This is the 45, 46 level. And then the immediate levels here at 40,000 and 42,300. So these are your trading levels if you are looking for trades, that is. But certainly good points of reference for the levels of support and resistance that we've made along the journey down to the current levels here. So what I want to look at now is just the pattern of what's happening here and what we can expect in the next few days and weeks. So this candle here is proving to be the most important candle amongst all of this price action here. I think we should call it the magical adventures of the gravestone doji. Maybe there should be a Hollywood film about this, because it's having such a huge impact on all of this price action over here. And as this price was coming down, I was mentioning to you that we shouldn't be catching a falling knife over here unless we have signs of a reversal. And we got our sign of a reversal here with this candle, this green candle here. And this candle is known as a bullish harami candle and is usually found at the bottom of a strong trend like this, and it signals the end of the momentum to the downside here. And the message it's saying is that I'm not going to let it go any further than this. And what's happening really here with the demand and supply is that the buyers at this point decided to take control and buy this back. And even to this point, then pushed it all the way up here. So there was a huge amount of demand created down here, which ended the momentum of this candle down. So this candle was the first sign of a reversal that this momentum is about to turn around. And a bullish harami candle is basically where the body of the green candle is fully encapsulated within the body of the previous red candle here. And this is obviously bullish because the momentum for the downside has been stopped. And the following candle after the bullish harami was this one here. And this is a hammer candle. But this is no ordinary hammer candle because it's such a big, long wick hammer candle here. And what this is saying is that not only have we got a reversal here, but we're going to actually turn very bullish and going to push the price all the way back above the harami candle and beyond. So this hammer candle really confirmed the bullish harami candle to say that the direction of the price action from here was going to be to the upside. And this candle is the reason why we had this big rally that's been coming up to these levels here at around about the $39,000 mark. And this hammer candle was followed the next day by this candle here. And this is what we call a spinning top. And this is an indecision candle. The indecision candles can obviously go either to the up or the downside. However, because the preceding candle was this hammer candle, before which was this bullish harami candle, then this decision candle had a very high probability to continue to the upside, which is exactly what it did. And so we came to this candle here. And so we came to this big mama candle here. So these two candles, the bullish harami and the hammer candle, as well as the indecision candle here, led to this big price move up to 38,960. This is the top of the wick here. And the bottom of the wick is the 36,254. And if you've been following my videos, you'll know that these two levels are the ones that I've been talking about for the whole of the week now. And as I've said, when this candle was formed, that all of the price action here is going to be determined by the top and the bottom of this wick of this candle. And I've said right from the beginning that we have a 20% probability of breaking above this with at least a 4-hour candle, but preferably a daily candle close above this line here at 38,960. and a 20% probability to break below this line, the bottom of this wick, at 36,254. So this basically set the limit of the price action after this candle here. So all of these candles that have followed this gravestone doji candle have remained within the confinements of the limits that's set by this candle, and we've come all the way down yesterday to 36,250. And as I've said many times, if we do break the top side, which is a 20% probability, then more than likely we'll go up to the levels of 41 to 40,000, which encapsulates these bottoms of the candles here down to this level here at 40. So this is the zone we could go to once we break this top side. And if we broke to the bottom side, which could have happened yesterday, and if you watched my video yesterday, I said that we're going to come down to this level and bounce off. So we're in the first part of it, and I'll tell you why I think that we're going to come back from here all the way down to retest this again. And this is my buy zone that I've actually created here for accumulation. So currently we've had one attempt to break above that line here, got rejected, came back down all the way, and then tried to break the bottom side of it yesterday here. So this is where we're at. And if we do a Fibonacci retracement from the top here, where we topped out at 39,300, down to yesterday's level where we found support at 36,250, you'll see that we've currently come up to the 61.8 again at 38,200. So I'm expecting a rejection at these levels here, back towards retesting the lower sides again. It may not come back to the 36,200 because there is a 61.8 on the way down. So the possibilities are that if we came back down from the current level of 38,200, then this is the level of the 61.8 on the way down, and that's at 37,000 or 36,900 to 37,000. So this is the region we could actually find some support on the way down here. And we'll have to see how the candles develop around here to know which way, if it's going to go back up or come back and retest the 36,200 again. But certainly this level is still in play. What it does around here could be short term, because if you look at it, and as I've shown you in the previous videos a few times, that we're range bound here from the top of this wick here to the bottom of this wick. It could be that we're playing the range here where we're making some different patterns, but eventually somewhere along the line we're going to break the top side or the bottom side, and those two levels I've already given you. And if you go to my Twitter page this morning, for those of you who like the personal development side, I've actually posted this absolutely amazing story. It's only about 5 or 6 minutes long, and it's really about attitude and why attitude will make the person. And always remember, it is attitude that will determine the amount of success we will have in life. So please always work on yourself continuously, as there is always room for improvement. So please do have a look at this video here. Like I say, all the videos I post down here for personal development are there to actually have a magical impact on your life. But apart from this, I did tweet yesterday that finally the gravestone doji candle on the 26th is bringing the Bitcoin price down, and expect some short-term support at 36,254. We actually came down to 36,259, so it was about $5 short there. But obviously we've now bounced back up again here. So I did say that expect a short-term support at this level, and that's what we are at currently, before I'm expecting it to go back down towards the 34,600 level down here. And you can click on my Twitter page below every one of my videos here with this link. But if we do break this current level of 38,200, then expect another rejection at 38,960 level here, again at the top of this wick from the 26th of January. Still an 80% probability to break below this line here at 36,254, and a 20% break above this line here at 38,960 on a daily close candle. And there ends the magical adventures of the gravestone doji candle. For further adventures, please catch me in the next video. And if you found value in this video, then please do remember to like and subscribe, and to turn on the notification bell. And if you've got any comments, questions or suggestions, then leave them in the comments below. Until the next time, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.